Hey friends, if you encounter error performing in-page operation on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run a check disk scan. Now, what does a check disk scan do? It checks for errors on the sectors of the hard disk and fixes them if possible. So, here's how you perform a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open command prompt. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Sorry, chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Now search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide or Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or click on apply or then on OK and then finally restart the computer. And finally use system restore points. Okay, so search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore, click on next, choose a go to restore point, click on next, click on finish and then finally click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.